me cocktails, days of our lives. We wink and both high, so we'll just get it with no words. So anything goes on, the time for close minds. And free my little easy, and let's just get good. Young money, cash money, the building. Let's go.
Like a G6, like a G6.
And then we have, ladies and gentlemen, again, the female and male candidates in the What's Up Next Top Model 2010, the pre-pageant.
Yes, and we're done with our talent competition this afternoon or this evening. We would like to then, of course, to give our profound thanks and gratitude to our board of judges for having a hard time in giving their scores to our candidates. To Mr. Christian Paul Ordonez, sir, maraming salamat po.
Yes, and also we would like to thank Ms. Jennifer Ventic. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And to Mr. Russell Rivera, thank you so much. And of course, for our generous sponsors, Jeannie, maraming salamat to SM Supermalls,
Blessings Photography,
Silk Cafe,
Max's Restaurant,
Shakey's,
Banana Peel, John Bryan,
Bizarre,
Intimate Collection,
Ethiopia, and to our major sponsors, thank you so much to Bishay International,
Center for Pop Music Philippines,
Fairlight Cosmetics,
Blackwater,
Deepwater,
Ever Banana Cosmetics,
Olivares College, Tagaytay,
Emilio Aguinaldo College,
and Generics Pharmacy. Thank you so much to our sponsors. And now, Jeannie, again, we are inviting everyone to watch the grand coronation day of the Rankas Next Top Model Search this coming November 19 here at SM City, Dasmariñas.
Yes po, Friday po yan, November 19. Magkita-kita po tayo ulit for the Grand Coronation Day.
But for the meantime, the question this evening is, who will be the male and the female best in talent for our Rankas Next Top Model? Audience, do you have your winners?
Sa tingin ninyo, ang ating magiging mga mananalo ngayong gabi ito.
For you, for our female candidate, who will be the female best in talent? What number?
How about for the boys?
Alright, the result is here. I have here the result, of course. Again, thank you so much to our board of judges. Jeannie, are you ready?
Ready?
Alright.
Ito na.
We will start with, sino gusto niyo unahin natin? Female.
Female, ladies first.
Ladies first. Again, we are doing this. We are giving the results for you just to be transparent. Gusto po
That's
namin maging
right.
transparent sa mga audience namin. Kaya po namin ginagawa ang announcement of winners every time na meron kami pre-pageant competition. Simula pa ng Rosario Molino up to here, we are giving the results. And
Wala pong tayaan sa Rantam.
our nurse or our female best in talent for Rankas Next Top Model goes to candidate number
40!
You made it! Please step forward! Candidate number 40! Para i-reveal kung paano nangyari.
Oh, why not?
Business yun eh, pagkakakitaan niyo yan, sooner or later. And here we go for our male winner!
Sino ulit ang best na magiging male? Best in talent? Hindi na natin patatagalin pa.
But before that, Jimmy, again, November 19 ang Grand Coronation Day dito sa SM Dasmariñas.
Yes po, wala na nakakalimutan niya November 19. Ito na! Ang ating male best in talent goes to candidate number
14 in our of course.
Thank you. And again, so kung natin nakalimutan, mark your calendar, November 19, this Friday, dito po sa SM City, Dasmariñas, ang Grand Coronation Day ng One Cubs next Salvador 2010.
Malapit na yan. Huwag na bibitin dahil malapit na natin malaman kung sino ang kauna-unahan